Hello, today in basic science, we'll be looking at balanced and unbalanced force. We'll start with balanced force. A balanced force is a force that is equal in magnitude but in opposite direction. If you look at the image on the screen, we see two teams involved in a tug of war. You see this other team trying to pull the rope to their own end. The other team is trying to pull the rope to their own end. It means that these forces are in an opposite direction, but they are equal. Look at the rope. It's on the same level, meaning that this force, the force on this rope, is equal. So it's a force that is equal in magnitude, but in opposite direction. The net force of a balanced force is 0. Objects acted upon by balanced forces stay at rest or move at a constant velocity. When a balanced force is acted on an object, the object does not move. It remains in motion. That's a balanced force, or it moves at a constant velocity. Balanced forces do not cause any change in the state of motion of a body. When a balanced force is acted on a body, does not cause that body to move or change its position. Now let's look at unbalanced force. Unbalanced forces are forces that are not equal in magnitude and may or may not act in the same direction. Unbalanced forces accelerate a body in motion. If you look at the image on the screen, you see these two teams. They are trying to drag this rope. This other team is trying to drag the rope to their own end, and this other team, one of the teams, have succeeded in dragging the other team to their own end. This is an unbalanced force, and an unbalanced force accelerates. It causes a body that's in motion to begin to move. It sets it on motion. It sets a body that is not moving. It sets it in motion. Let's look at examples of balanced forces. One of the examples of a balanced force is a fruit on a tree. If you look at the fruits on this tree, they are not moving. They are just at a place. That's a balanced force. The force on this tree, on these fruits, is not setting them in motion. It's not causing them to move. So it's an example of a balanced force. Another example of a balanced force is someone resting or leaning on the wall. This person now, the force on this person is not causing this person to move. The person is just relaxing. That's the balanced force. Another example of a balanced force is a ball hanging on a rope. The force on this ball is not putting it in motion. It's not causing it to move. Another example that we also consider is an aircraft steady on a height. These are the other examples of balanced forces. Is someone standing on the ground, someone lying down on the bed. These are examples of balanced forces. You see that these forces, the force acting on this body is not causing the body to move. Now let's look at examples of unbalanced force. Practically anything that moves as a result of the exertion of an unbalanced force on it. Anything that moves is as a result of the exertion of an unbalanced force on it. Example, if you kick a ball and it moves from one place to another, it means that the unbalanced troops are acting upon it. The ball moves from one place to another after it is kicked. The image on the screen is showing us a ball who is kicking a ball, thereby setting that ball in motion. The force that is causing this ball to move from one place to another is what is called unbalanced force. Unbalanced force sets a body that is acting upon in motion. It causes it to move from one place to another, or causes it to shake. Now, this has brought us to the end of this topic today on balanced and unbalanced forces. Let's look at the assessment session. Question number 1. What is a balanced force? Question number 2. State 2 examples of a balanced force. Drop your answer in the comment section. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in our next demo.